Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand, up to my knees.
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys my thoughts and opinions on this wig right here. It is Jenna by JENNA Collection. She is the sister or cousin to Jode. I reviewed her about a month or so ago, and y'all know if you guys watched that video, my thoughts and opinions. I wasn't really feeling it, and it kind of left a bad taste in my mouth, so I really wasn't open to trying the other wigs from this Naturally Me collection that JENNA Collection came out with. I have seen so many wig gurus trying this wig out, and they just look so good in it, and I was like, you know what? I kind of need to get over my saltiness and just bite the bullet and buy this wig. So I did. I got it in a number 2, and this is how I decided to leave it styled. I show you guys in this video a couple of different ways to style this wig. I just purchased a bunch of little cute like fashion clips off of Amazon. I will leave a link where you can purchase these in the description box below if you guys are interested. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. I'm going to show you guys what she looks like coming straight out of the box, and how I styled her and all that, while I just give you guys my thoughts and opinions. So this wig has the same exact cap construction as Jode. It has special knotting on the back of the nape, which I'm not really sure what that means. I think they're trying to say that it's not going to mat up towards the back, but I haven't worn Jode outside of that review video, so I really can't attest to how that special knotting works. This is a deep part lace wig, and the lace that is left out is very small, but it is supposed to mimic like a natural hairline, so it doesn't have a blocky hairline like most typical synthetic wigs. It is 100% hand tied on Swiss lace, and it has ear to ear soft lace. I decided to go with a natural color with this wig because I reviewed Jode in the OET 1B/30, and I just really wasn't impressed with the color blend and how they really did that color. So I didn't want to set myself up for failure again, so I decided to go with a natural color. The texture is amazing with this wig. It does mimic natural blown out or like stretched hair. It is gorgeous. It doesn't have a lot of shine or anything like that. It is on the drier side, but it's not scratchy or anything like that, and I didn't experience any scratchiness with Jode, but that's just me. I don't find this wig to be scratchy. It is still soft, but it just feels a little bit on the drier side. Now I am getting some shedding, and I had a huge issue with shedding with Jode, and I didn't even like run my fingers through that wig. I think it is safe to assume that all the other wigs from this collection shed. Now I can only speak for the 2 that I have tried, but that's just my opinion. I would probably think that the Bob wouldn't shed as much, but this one is consistently shedding, but it's not clumps of hair like Jode. Jode, I got like a lot of hair all at one time. This one has like a natural shed to it where you're gonna get like 1 or 2 hairs every time you kind of just like pull on the hair like that. But I'm going to try to keep my hands out of this wig. So I do have to admit to you guys that as soon as I put this wig on straight out of the box, I really wasn't feeling how it was looking on me, and it took me a little while to figure out how I wanted to style this wig just so that I felt like I looked good. So I would not consider this wig a like pull out the box, wear it and go, you know what I'm saying? Like you are going to have to finesse it a little bit and remove the humpage that's going on around the parting space, and then, you know, just kind of figure out how you want to style it. I do have a few of my edges out here on the side. I didn't gel down the edges that come with this wig. It does have kinky textured baby hairs, which I like. They had the same thing on Jode, but the texture of this wig and the style of it doesn't really call for super slick down baby hairs. I think it looks a little bit better when they're not, you know, they're just kind of like brushed out and living their best life, which is good for me because y'all know I do not really do baby hairs like that. I'm trying, but I would say that the cap size of this wig feels a little bit more snug than Jode did. I felt like Jode kind of fit me like a glove, but this one is just a touch smaller, so if you're a big head girl like myself, just keep that in mind. It's not to the point where I'm going to get a headache or anything like that. I just wanted to let you guys know. I do really love the style and the curls that this wig comes with. I did go in and cut just a little bit right here in the face just because I felt like this piece was way too long to be right up on my face, so I did trim it just a little bit. And I didn't go in and fully fluff out these curls because I know that the longer I have this wig, they're going to drop and look a lot more natural as this wig gets older. So just keep that in mind. Don't automatically go in and pick this wig out unless that's what you're going for. But it is only $30, so if you needed to repurchase another one, it's really not that expensive. But yeah, I think that is all I have to say about Miss Jenna. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment down below. Subscribe if you have not already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.